It's that time of year again. Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day to you, and I hope you have a special day.
Thank you so
No
much.
problem.
I appreciate that.
I hope you have a wonderful day.
Wow, you made my day.
Happy Valentine's Day.
That was awesome.
It's Valentine's Day today. Gold dip roses in every color. And it comes with a strand of pearls and chocolates like you gave her. 99 bucks.
That's a good deal.
I was having such a bad day. You just made my day. Thank
Oh,
you.
I just wanted to say Happy Valentine's Day, and I'm trying to make it special for a couple ladies. So
Well, thank you. You have no idea how special you really just made it for me.
you're
Oh my
welcome.
God.
Well, I hope you have a great day.
Wonderful. Thank you, Ed.
I hope you enjoy the chocolates and the rose.
I always do.
Okay. Happy Valentine's Day.
Oh, thank you
You're
so
welcome.
much. I appreciate it.
Yeah.
Happy Valentine's Day to you too.
Thanks. I'm not hitting on you. I just want to say Happy Valentine's Day.
You're the sweetest. Oh my gosh, thank you.
No problem. It's for the ladies only. Yeah. Happy Valentine's Day.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. Hope you have a wonderful day.
Hey, that made my day.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Oh, Ed. How sweet. Really?
Yeah.
Aw.
Love making people happy. That's why I'm divorced
You do
twice.
make
Happy Valentine's Day.
Oh, you're so sweet.
I'm sorry all the leaves fell off.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Happy Valentine's Day.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Happy Valentine's Day.
Thank you.
I hope you have a wonderful day.
Thank you. You too.